In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a picture into a circle in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a project, creating a presentation, or just sprucing up your slides, this simple technique can make all the difference in creating a polished and professional look. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on it. Choose your Google account from the list if it's not already selected. After that, type in your password and click on Next. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top right corner again, and you'll find a collection of small square dots. That's your Google Apps menu. Scroll through this menu until you find Google Slides, then click on it to open. Now select the presentation you're working on by clicking on it. If you haven't started one, you can create a new presentation to perform this task. So you're in your presentation and you want to turn a picture into a circle. The easiest way to do this in Google Slides is by using the mask image feature. This nifty tool allows you to crop to a shape, and in this case, we'll be cropping to a circle. Find the picture you want to edit on your slide and click on it to select it. You should see a toolbar at the top of the screen filled with various options. Search for the crop icon within this toolbar. It looks like a square with diagonal lines across it. Next to this icon, there's a small down arrow. This is what you want to click on to open the mask image menu. Now it's time to choose the circle shape. Hover your mouse over the Shapes option within this drop-down menu. In the Shapes category, you'll find an option labeled Oval. Click on it to select it, and you'll see your image automatically masked into a circle. Sometimes the result might not be perfectly round, or the part of the picture that's visible might not be exactly what you want. Here's a tip. Double-click the circular image. This will bring back the cropping handles, allowing you to adjust how your image fits within the circle. If you want to ensure that the shape remains a perfect circle rather than an oval, click and drag one of the blue square handles located at the corners of your image. Remember to hold down the Shift key as you do this. This key ensures that your adjustments maintain perfect proportions, keeping your image looking just right. And there you have it. You've successfully mastered how to turn a picture into a circle in Google Slides. Simple, effective, and a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your presentation. Keep practicing this technique and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and happy presenting.